Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 4 Ladyburn Place, Skinner's Steps in Cupar. Now this is a real opportunity to add value with this property. It's a 1-bedroom, upper floor flat, great central location with everything on your doorstep, and you really can make this property your own. So what I'm going to do is flip the camera and take you on the tour. So this is the entrance to your property, number 4. Just here you have this balcony space where you could easily get a table and chairs and soak up the last bit of winter sun. It's actually a lovely day here today. So you have outdoor storage just before entering the front door, and then we come into your open plan living kitchen. Really great size, so you could easily get a sofa, your living furniture. Across on this wall just here you could get a breakfasting table. Plenty of windows, including 2 velux, letting in loads of light, and you could easily make those little window seats, which I think is a lovely touch. And then you have your kitchen at the end just here. Plenty of cupboard and worktop space as well, which is just great. Let me just show it from another angle so you really can see the size of this space. It's a really, really good sized open plan room. And then we come through into your bedroom. So again, a great size. Easily fit a double or king bed with space for bedroom furniture. 2 windows again, letting in plenty of light. And you have the great addition of your double built-in wardrobe, which is just great. So plenty of storage with this property as well, because you have the addition just off the hallway, your storage cupboard just here. And then we come through into your really generous sized bathroom. So you have your bath, overhead shower, wash hand basin and WC. So really great sized bathroom. And then just one last look at this space here, because I think this is a great space. And hopefully by now you can see exactly where you can add value with this property and really make it your own. So let's head back outside and I'll tell you a little bit more. So that was the personal property tour for 4 Ladyburn Place, Skinner's Steps in Cupar. So hopefully you've just seen exactly where you can add value with this property and the true potential. As well as that is you're in a great location here, residential area of Cupar, walking distance to all your local amenities, shops, cafes, butchers, bakers, doctors, dentists. Also you have great commuting links from here as well, so you have the bus that connects you all across Fife, as well as that you are walking distance to the train station, which again connects you with routes to Edinburgh, Dundee and beyond. So great commuting links here. So if this property is for you, then click the link or you can message me directly. Alternatively, you can call the team on 01334 654 221 and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions and tell you the all important price point of this property. Sophie at 5 Properties TV, take care.